Chemistry. Highest mark.
Usuhan Bhattacharjee Janggalaban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong Layo Kekerdan Beningkong hak HSSLC Science Stream kat baka Ferry Filarisha 1 Jangka St Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong Kalayo Kekerdan Beningkong hak Commerce Stream. Usuhan ulayo sauspa prapulai marks but your distinction haki hindra tulig subject. Gordon Kupar Nongbri Jangka St Edmunds High Secondary School Ulawan Baar dakabayo sauspa nyapun marks but distinction habaro hindra tulig subject. Badu ar mekiar marpena na St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong Ulawan Balai dakabayo saus pa anyo poe marks but distinction habaro andra tuliki subject. Na gila hajar praspa khatwingot kibla apply ha ka HSSLC Science beli konik examen gidon lai hajar nyo spa andra punrungot but kibala pas kilong lai hajar ar spa shipho. Bad kejing pas ki kena kalong prapusan point ar saw na kashispa.
Sohan, how do you feel being the topper in HSLC science?
It's a very shocking moment for me because I never expected of getting the first position, and also very happy that I could make my school proud and take the legacy that my seniors have started, and really happy that I could make my school proud.
How did you prepare for this examination?
My preparation was quite simple, not to overburden myself with tremendous of pressure or other works. Just keep it simple, study regularly, and always try to get the concept of the subject. Just mugging everything will not help. So I tried to, get the concept right, get everything properly, took guidance from my teacher, and that is what actually helped me a lot.
So, to whom do you attribute your success to?
To my school mostly, my parents. They always helped me, they always encouraged me that yes, you can do it. So that is the main source of my motivation. So thank you so much to my teachers, to my parents, also to my friends. They really helped me a lot.
So, what is your future plan?
Future, I had thought of doing a BSc with major in physics and pursue after masters, maybe going into the research background and maybe astrophysics or any other in physics line. That's my dream actually.
Why did you choose astrophysics?
It's actually a fascination for me about space and science. So that is the reason what actually, and recently also the space success of ISRO, that is also what motivated me a lot. So that is why I want to pursue something in research and do something different from the rest of the world.
Do you think that individuals and social organizations should come forward to help students who are toppers?
Yeah, they should, because it actually becomes motivation also, and the students feel that there's someone who will support them if they need. So I feel it will be a good initiative of the organizations if they come and help not only just the toppers but whoever wants to study and wants to pursue higher education. So it will be a good initiative of the organizations. The message is quite simple. Always have belief in yourself, be disciplined, and maintain a consistency of your studies. Study regularly, and it's not important to go for long hours of study. Study as much as you want, and as long as you can get the concept, that's enough. Always have belief in yourself and be disciplined. That is the message to the future generation.
Hak examen HSSLC Commerce ka Ferry Filarisha 1 klayo saus pa anyo puar marks but your distinction habaro 100 tulig subject. Uraj Paul jang St. Anthony's High Secondary School Ulawan Baar but your saus pa 100 pulai marks but your distinction habaro 100 tulig subject. But lying ngut kilayo kekerdan kebalai kilayo emar saus pa asan pukra marks bekentup ya upong coach data jang Kalaban Bengali Boys High Secondary School ka Pinky Kumari jang St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Badu Aditya Prasad jang Don Bosco College Tura. Hak HSSLC Commerce kila don ar hajar saus pa sau puingut ki kena pulia keble ko nek examen bagajing pas ki kena kalong syajar kendai spa lai pesangut. Bagajing don bapas kalong prapo point ar hendrio na kasispa.
Kuma pi penkrek mentakan ke exam lo kalau kenta fikir pat asismi.
For badi December kumtu January bampat dira you for exam tengah krek kumtu normal hours 2-3 hours kumtu lajan exam tengah krek borok sisi.
Kementara harin baki lah. Yo result ni. Kai saya kata kaji mo ko jong pilang ni smart. Kai ku ba mo pelong ko jong jong but kai jong ko play me betek.
I want to crack competitive exam nanta like ngamut le BCom and then alongside with that aku akan le competitive exam so aku akan ngan crack kan ya ke competitive exam bang le.
Cek saya kata ka dengan tu ko jong pilih gue pat ini ke favorite ni nak menang penkrek ini ke exam ko jong pilang ni smart.
Kawai bang lamun oi ki ngan ong bab you have to think about your family, you have to support your family, you have to study, you have to do that. I'm not really I'm struggling financially. I have to support my family. I have to study hard. I have to work hard. I can't just loiter around kumtuta. And you know.
Jadi ku nak ram ni ko nak dikit.
Ako ban I buram ya blave ni konge din my teachers, my family, my friends.
Yo mo pi ko ban pun jaga ke exam
Competitive exam.
competitive exam. Kai saya kata bo ko ban long IAS, IFS.
Ngamut ke lek jong banking lain competitive exam.
Kemudian itu saya berkata sini pun ini ke competitive exam belum menjadi tingkat IAS lagi IFS.
Oh, I'm done interest. I don't think so I'll be able to crack the interest. You know, it's hard to crack the exam.